often overlooked is what people call, and this is kind of the street term, oxide treatment during PCB fabrication. It's really, it would be better described as alternative oxide treatment, because black oxide treatment, which was done back in the day previously, isn't common at all these days. This process is applied after etching. So the way boards are built, you take a core, you etch the features into it on both sides of the core, and then you roughen the surface that faces the prepregs, and this is for adhesion. The problem is the more you roughen it up for adhesion, the more it can mess with high frequency signals like we discussed earlier. If the roughness gets close to the skin depth at high frequencies, you can end up with some signal integrity problems, specifically loss. And the rough side of the, on the outside of the core, the copper for the core is sometimes called the matte side. And this gets roughened up even further by the oxide treatment. Unfortunately, there's no industry spec for this, and you've just got to talk to your PCB fabricator about it, and they should be able to provide you more information. Going a little bit deeper on some of the roughness values you can expect with these different copper roughnesses on the oxide alternative side, or the prepreg side, or the matte side. I usually say the prepreg side because that's very clear and kind of universally understood, I think. So reduced black oxide would be a very smooth treatment, and that's not used at all today. And some of the oxide alternative treatments would be, I'm not going to read through all these, but McDermott has a couple of these, ethone alpha prep, and you can see the roughnesses over on the right. Adatech bond film is one that I've seen quite a bit, and McDermott has 3 of these on here, and I have them ranked from the smoothest at the top